World Trade Organization, we are going to learn. WTO. Think about World Trade Organization. WTO. Page number 10.16. Some facts about World Trade Organization. Facts. Purpose is to ensure free and fair trade. Free and fair trade among countries. This means nation. The purpose of WTO is to ensure free and fair trade among nations. Number two. It was formed in replacement of GATT. GATT means General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. GATT. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
GATT is a short form for General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. GATT. That means after WTO, there is no GATT. WTO is in replacement of GATT. So can I use this space? Did you write?
Yes, sir.
So we are learning some facts about WTO. Number 3, headquarter. Headquarter is in Geneva. You know Geneva in which country? Geneva is in which country? Switzerland. Geneva is in Switzerland. Okay. Number 4, established on 1st January 1995. Then number 5, members. Member means member countries. 159. In your book, 64. So India is a founder member. What do you mean by founder member? When it is formed, India was also present. Okay. Around 98% of the countries in the world are members in WTO. So it's an organization for trading, trade opening, to facilitate trade between two countries. So it is an organization for trade opening. So trade include exchange of goods, services, including intellectual property rights. Whenever there is dispute between two countries regarding the import or export of any goods, services, or intellectual property, so WTO will be working as a negotiator, mediator. The matter will be solved with the mediation of WTO. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So it is a place
Yes,
for,
sir.
we can say it is a place for solving the dispute, trade dispute. It's a place for solving the trade dispute. So trade problems will be sorted out and they will find the solution. This is the overall introduction about that. Okay. It's a place for settling the trade dispute. That is 6 point you heard, right? Place or forum. Place for settling any kind of trade dispute. It's a place, it's a forum for solving the trade dispute, any kind of trade dispute. Then we go to the objectives. At 5 p.m. Those who are sleeping in the class also, they can check the chat box. At 5 p.m. girls join. The 5 p.m. girls should join in the link and by school for training. At 6 p.m. boys should join. Link for link sent by. Are you seeing the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or not interested in the class. Also, they can also note down this. Okay. No boys are interested, right? Their names are appearing with the beautiful pictures. Nobody in the class. Only some girls are there. Now we will learn the objectives. What's the first objective? Savishri?
To ensure reduction of traffics and other trade barriers imposed by different countries.
What's the first objective?
Sir, to ensure reduction of tariffs and other trade barriers imposed by different countries.
What do you mean by tariff? Tariff means tax only. When goods are imported from other countries, we have to pay customs duty. If there is special tariff, we have to pay that also. Suppose we are importing goods from any country. If there is special tariff, we have to pay that also. Apart from customs duty anyway we have to pay. Apart from customs duty, we have to pay a special tariff.
So for what we should pay the special tariff, sir?
Special tariff is, there's a purpose behind that. See, when we are paying extra amount, tariff is a tax only. The cost of the goods will be more. So we can sell the goods at a high price only. So when we are selling the goods at a high price, the demand for the goods will be less. The purpose is very clear. People should buy Indian goods. Normally, when the price is more, only rich people can buy the goods, right? Foreign goods. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
The demand for the goods will be less. Only rich people will buy. Purpose is to increase the demand for our goods, homemade goods. Clear?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
WTO will work for reducing the tariff. Number one. Work for decreasing or reducing the tariff. Tariff means tax. Number two, what is number two?
To improve
Improve
standards of
standards
living,
of living and create employment and increase
effective
income
demand,
and
and facilitate higher
demand
production
and
and
facilitate higher
trade.
production and trade.
Even though the cost will be more, there are people in India and in other countries also, they want quality goods. So by buying quality goods, standard of living will be increasing or decreasing. When we are having quality goods, standard of living will be increasing or decreasing.
Increasing, sir.
There are people in all the countries, they don't mind about the price. They want quality goods. They want quality goods. And another thing, when foreign goods are coming in our country, there will be employment opportunities. And there is demand for foreign goods. And people are coming to the shop without thinking about the high price. So many shops will be opened. So when many shops are opened, automatically there will be employment opportunities. Many people will be getting job also. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when job opportunities are increasing, automatically the income of the people will increase. purchasing power will be increased. That is economics. Purchasing power will be increased. When their purchasing power will be increased, when their purchasing power is increased, automatically they will buy our goods also. Demand for our goods also will increase. So these are the parallel things happening. So number 2, subjective. Number 2, subjective, increase the standard of living. Increase the standard of living. Create employment. The main point only we had rights. Okay. So what is next, children?
To facilitate
optimum user of the world's resource for sustainable development.
Sustainable development. A very important thing. The development without exploiting the earth, that is sustainable. The development should have long life without any repercussions in the nature, without the problem in the nature. Because we are demolishing the hills and constructing building. Can we say that it is a sustainable development? Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
So before end of the world, each and every part of the earth will be facing some problem, many problems like earthquake, landslide, flood, drought. All these aspects will be happened in almost all the places. So what is sustainable development? Development without affecting the environment. I told before end of the world, we are going to face some miserable condition. Almost all the ministers are supporting, hidingly they are supporting the demolition of hills. They are supporting for covering the paddy field. They are supporting hidingly for covering the river also, for the depth of the river. When more sand is taken from the river will be dried. At last, buildings are coming in the river also. See, when at the time of heavy rain, water will not be stored in the earth because no trees, no river, no lower level lands, everything is covered. So water will come to our house only, no other way. How? Even the house itself will be demolished. So we will not have any place for living also. That kind of situation is going to come. We may be having money, but we will not be able to stay in the home. Are you understanding? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is a situation we are going to face. We are staying in smart house, but we won't be able to live in the house because of flood, drought, and there won't be water also in the earth. So when we are talking about development, make sure that it will be sustainable development. That means the development is not at the risk of the life of our mother earth. Okay, earth is our second mother. If you are destroying, if you are troubling the earth, there will be problems. Okay. products which are not in demand in some countries will be in great demand in some other countries. When one country is able to sell their excess resources, they can buy the things which are available in some other countries. You understanding?
Yes, sir.
They need money, they have to sell the products. For ensuring sustained development. Development in those countries, they're exporting. Development in those countries is possible only if they have, only if they can generate, they can gain some money, they can earn some money. That is possible only by exporting. Already the products are in excess in those countries. They want some products which are not available in the country. They have to buy from other countries. For that, they need money. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is next?
To promote an integrated,
To
more
promote an
viable-
integrated, more valuable and durable trading system.
Yes, to promote an integrated, more viable and durable trading system. What do you mean by durable trading system?
time. Less,
Durable trading system means a system which creates more employment, more the opportunities, more income, and better standard of living. The point that I already discussed. Once again, I will say, first let me write. To ensure durable trading system. What is durable trading system? A trading system which will increase the employment opportunities, which will increase the purchasing power of the people, which will increase the standard of living. That is durable trading system. So that is all about the objectives. So let me summarize. What is the purpose of World Trade Organization? What's the purpose, students?
Sir, is to ensure free and fair trade among
To ensure free and fair trade among countries.
So it was established in which year?
$1995.
1995.
Date January 1. So before WTO, there was
January 1.
it was in replacement of some other thing. What is that?
Gate.
Got, not gate, got.
General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs.
Yes. How many member countries are there?
6.
164.
164.
164.
Yes. So when WTO was formed, India was also a member. So we will say India is also a founder member.
Founder member.
That means India is a member since its formation.
Countries.
Since its formation, India is a member since its formation. From the formation itself, India is a member. India is a member from the formation of things. So what do you mean by tariff? I told in the class, what is tariff?
Taxes.
Okay. So when more tariff is charged on import, what will happen to What's the purpose of putting more
Sir,
tariff?
they won't buy foreign goods, sir. They'll buy their own country goods.
Yes. Demand for home product will be. So when there is tariff, more tariff, demand for home product will be increase.
Increase.
Yes. What do you mean by standard of living? What is meant by standard of living?
Sir, buying high quality goods.
What is sustainable development?
And the growth developing without damaging the environment.
What's the problem we are going to face before the end of the world if there is no sustainable development?
It will cause some damage to earth, sir.
What will be the problem? What are the problems we are going to face if there is no sustainable development? That's a serious issue we are going to face. Each one
Sir,
of
if there is
us
no
have some responsibility.
water for drinking also, sir.
Yeah, we will be having more money, nice house, but we won't be able to stay in the house. Understand?
Yes, sir.
There won't be food also. No agriculture, not even water also. That much situation we are going to face if the things are going on like this. Too many buildings are coming. Everybody wants separate house, separate house. So new plantation is decreasing. The green cover is disappearing. Nobody is interested in planting more trees. They are interested in cutting trees. So we have to solve this. Try to plant at least one tree. Everybody should take some initiative for planting trees. See, in Karnataka, 10% of the land is to be reserved for planting trees. In Tamil Nadu also it is happening. Before constructing house, 10% is to be reserved for planting trees. So that is a good initiative. We should support, we should encourage. All the people in the world should have that kind of interest to plant trees. Don't occupy the complete space in the earth. We won't be able to live in this house, in the house. Okay, can you share your notebook?
Yes, sir. Shall I show, sir?
Okay. Can you share your notebook, children?
Sir,
Next student. Next page. Okay. Next year. Okay, children. See you tomorrow. Boys, are you hearing me?
thank
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
No boys are showing the notebook. Nobody in the class. Boys have to attend at 6 o'clock. You will get the link from the school. Okay. That also they are not hearing.